Video na day. Ah, good morning everyone, or magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So another day, another vlog. So I just finished sweeping the area. So sa Bisaya ba na human ako og panilig sa lugar. In Tagalog, katatapos ko lang nagwalis sa paligiran. Okay. So since the camera is already installed by my daughter, so although what I need to do is just quick, because I have something to do with the other bonsai over at the front yard. Yeah, it is yard. So I'm going to take off this not take it to get this bonsai materials, because the pot is already damaged and I like the design of this material, so I will give them a beautiful pot. So get some this soil. Then this is the pot that I have get. So we will transfer it here so that it will look beautiful. Just hope, because I do not know that my daughter already installing the camera. So just hope na it look beautiful. So plenty of rot. So we'll start transferring. I'm just doing this bonsai materials to transfer in fastest way, because I need to work on to my another bonsai over there. I'm not expecting that my daughter is already installing the camera. That's why I surprised when there's my motion camera is following me. So what did I supposed to do is just to practice how to say that in English. So I drop by na lang diri sa lugar to make this video ma-appeal rapod. So it's nicer because it is what is a match to the pot than the other asamanto. Where's the other one? Then the other one here is damaged, and this is nicer, but this is the effect. So we need to center it to the center. Center to the bottom. So the center is here. So we need to cut a little portion this area here, to in order to backward a little. So I'm very sorry that I'm doing this repotting of these materials in a fastest way. So that's it. Then where so the soil that I'm used, I just returned the other old soil, and the soil that I got in the surrounding of my house. Every time I make a video, I try to make the video into shorter. So this is it now. I already transfer adjustment a little, nabali. Okay. So I'm going to return this to the place where they belong. Okay, nice. So continue to my garbage. continue to throwing of my garbage. So, got a problem. My cart as what is captured by my daughter for illegal throwing of garbage. So it was over there confiscate my cart. So I cannot continue on my garbage collection. So I need to proceed na lang to my bonsai work. So this is the hardest. We have also a law in our house regarding disposal of garbage. That's why he confiscated my cart because I'm not yet it's not yet my turn to dispose some garbage. So although what I need to do now is continue to my bonsai work. So let's go there. So this is now the bonsai materials that I will work on for today. So this is the 360 views of near. So need to have attention on these materials. So this area is my front. So time to start. So first remove some weeds, and the other meaning of removing the weeds under the bonsai materials is called weeding. Not weeding that you're going to get married, it's weeding. Then there are some roots coming down. I will not cut that one because I want this one portion here too. So I've done rewiring and depolluting my bonsai material. So I'm very sorry that my work is not so nice. It's very ugly. As you can see, the wire is not what we call as it's not nice wiring. So just sharing what I'm doing in my bonsai materials. By the way, my front is this area. Then we can also use this area as a front of my bonsai materials. So for this morning, this is the only video or vlog of me for just sharing every day that I do a vlog to be shared on my YouTube channel. Hope you like my video, and once again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice morning ahead of you. Bye-bye.